Hi guys, this is Terrell Timbal. We're back again with another video. So today maganda ang topic natin kasi tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-backhand drive using the triangle theory. So first of all, ano nga ba yung triangle theory? Basically, triangle theory is a backhand framework na gumagamit ng shape ng triangle para mag-guide yung player sa swing path at hitting point. So paano ba natin ma-figure out yung triangle? Basically, triangle has 3 points. Sa atin, yung non-playing elbow, playing elbow, pagdurugtungin nyo lang siya. And then, here you go. You got your triangle. So, paano ba natin magagamit yung triangle theory? So, first, form your triangle. And then get into your ready position. And as you can see, madali lang. Kasi yung hitting point nyo dito sa bandang tuktok ng triangle, yung backswing, napaka-natural. Tapos yung swing path, forward na pakanan. Bali, tatandaan nyo lang na i-fix nyo yung elbow ng playing elbow nyo. Hindi siya magalaw. Tapos, ayun na. Mag-guide na kayo ng swing path niya. Huwag nyo lang masyadong kung saan ipunta. So, for forehand drive, fixed wrist, backward and forward. Huwag nyo nang lagyan ng brush. Dun yung for backhand fast loop just for another video. Pero sa for backhand drive, fixed wrist, diretso lang, tandaan nyo lang yung swing path. So, bali, padating yung bola, itututok nyo lang sa top ng triangle nyo. Pag pumasok sa hitting point, doon nyo na tatamaan yung bola. Okay? Okay, so Guy is with me today. Susubukan na natin. So, tandaan nyo, get your triangle on. Pagdating ng bola, sa tuktok ng triangle yung contact point, backswing, natural lang. Okay? Pag sa forehand drive, ang timing is early. Ganyan lang. Early, tapos pag gusto nyong bilisan, talagyan nyo lang ng onti pantulak. Ang main thing lang is, tandaan nyo yung hitting point nyo. Huwag kayong mag-reach kasi masisira yung triangle nyo eh. Tapos, paano naman katulad nito, malikot yung bola natin. Okay lang yan. Pag pumunta sa kanan, gumalaw kayo. Lagi nyo itututok yung top ng triangle nyo doon sa hitting point. Huwag nyo i-reach side to side too. So use your legs to get in center of the ball and then hit, okay? Like that. Oh, kumaliwa. Kumanan, that's fine. Use your legs. That's like that. One more. Walang problema, di ba? Kailangan lang gamitin nyo yung paa nyo. Tapos, yung forehand drive, pag namaster nyo na, fast loop. Okay. So, sana ma-practice nyo yung framework na to. Napakaganda kasi madaling sundin eh. Kailangan lang conscious ka lang sa framework mo during the practice. Tapos, more practice. Hopefully, it will transfer over to your games. Again, see you. Jack Paso, Lower Ground 4, Muñoz, Quezon City. Take care, guys.